Good morning. It is November the 7th at like 9:30 in the morning, 28 degrees, but it is sunny, so it feels nice. So thought I would say hello since I'm going to start trying to do these videos. I feel silly, but hey, it's the way to go now, huh? I did have to leave our house though, because where we live it is all in shadow at this time of year, so bunch of ice and snow, which is beautiful, but I feel like sitting outside in the sun. And I wanted Wi-Fi, and we don't do internet or anything at the cabin right now. We're taking a electronics break and we're slowly getting back in there. Today I am hoping to finish this piece. My little dolphin. His tail, I think, is awesome. It kind of reminds me of a dog's, or a pig's ear. I actually had almost given up on it when I was taking all of the rotted wood and a whole bunch of dirt and just muck and nastiness. This thing was like this big. It was huge. And this is what I got out of it. And I find it beautiful. I think it's awesome. So if anybody can recommend a mask that doesn't make you feel like you're suffocating, let me know. Because right now, the masks that I have tried, I get claustrophobic. I'm not a fan. So, if you have any recommendations, please comment at the bottom. And don't forget to like the page in the video. All that jazz. It'd be great. My favorite part right now. I love how this, whoa, the colors are really starting to come out. I don't think you can really tell in that, but this is really starting to smooth out right here, and there's so many different layers and different shades of brown and all that good jazz. It's fun. Try and lift it up here. I need to practice. When I first got here, it felt 28. Now it's like 32, but it feels probably like 45, somewhere around there. That is one thing that I love about living here, is as long as the sun is out, you are typically okay. If the sun is not out, or let's say it's windy, if it's windy and it's cold, it is cold. So, I'm not gonna lie. I already feel awkward making these videos as it is. But angles. I'm trying to record myself and I put the camera down, you know, because it can prop up against something. But then I have this. So, this works a little better. Oh, and now it's recording sideways. That's awesome. That's how I roll. Let's try this again. It was really cute earlier. There was a group. There's a daycare, I believe, close by, and there was a group of probably 25 kids. The ages that I used to work with when I was working in childcare for 20 years. There's sweet memories walking those little guys when I used to work at a daycare in downtown Portland called Little Persons. And we used to always take them on a walk. We didn't have a park nearby, but we used to always take them on a walk downtown. And that was sweet. It was fun. I also really wanted to say that I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And if you are following my Facebook page, Imperfectly Beautiful Creations. Woohoo! Imperfectly Beautiful Creations on Facebook, and on Instagram, it's Imperfectly Beautiful 1980. Imperfectly Beautiful 1980. All one word, Instagram. I'm I'm in the process of getting Etsy together right now. So when I get Etsy together, I will go ahead and release that information. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and quit boring you, and I'm going to turn this off and continue to sand. There's like 5 people starting to come over here, to be honest, and that's a little awkward. So, see you later.